Thirsty to hacking this dolly into a motorbike. We had a problem trying to get the bearings on this dolly. First of all, we tried to connect some poles, electrical poles. We cut them up and tried to hack this thing. Tried to hack the bearings onto this dolly from the rear. It worked for a little while, but it wasn't stable. So the next thing we did was we took a aluminum shelving, cut some squares out, traced the bearings onto the aluminum, and cut the holes out. Attached the aluminum to the dolly, left and right side, and attempted to attach the bearings to the aluminum with some iron rods, electrical hanging rods, and that seemed to work out better. And trying to get the clutch, the sprocket, and the chain lined up was the next issue. Just by jacking up the motor, which was mounted to the dolly with the bolt, we drilled a hole. Simply jacking up the rear, got that got it operational, but it was not stable. There was a little wobbly in the tires because there's two different tires here. I mean, these tires are from the jump out. I think if you get the, if you were to change the tires, make them equal, adjust the motor, this vehicle should run smoothly. So diverted to hacking some bearings onto a dolly. But the main thing about getting the sprocket and the chain lined up just right under each other is one of the main keys. What I would do before I mount the motor is I would put the sprocket and the chain on with the clutch on the motor and leave the motor loose to slide left or right, back or forth, and make my adjustment from there. Trying to make the adjustment while the motor is mounted down was a problem, because we had to try to maneuver the chain and maneuver the clutch and maneuver the sprocket to get it lined up. That was the problem. But my idea was, if I would do this again, take the motor and leave it, just let it float until I got my sprocket and my chain, my clutch all lined up, side by side. Then I would mount the motor from that position. Adversity to hacking bearings, sprocket, and the chain on this dolly. This is how we did it.